Hey everyone, welcome back to Native GIS Today. I'm giving you a sneak peek into one of our most requested and most exciting topics.
Want to build a career in a field that's shaping the future? Geospatial AI is exploding, and it's redefining how we understand our world. Whether you're passionate about maps, data, or sustainability, there's a place for you here. Let's explore the opportunities waiting for you in this cutting-edge industry. Geospatial AI is the powerful intersection of geography, artificial intelligence, and data science. It combines location-based data with machine learning to analyze patterns, make predictions, and guide smarter decisions. Imagine AI that helps predict floods, maps urban sprawl, or detects illegal deforestation from satellite imagery. That's geospatial AI in action. Geospatial AI is already transforming industries across the globe. In agriculture, it helps farmers optimize crop yield using satellite data and machine learning. In disaster response, AI analyzes real-time data to identify safe evacuation zones. In climate science, it monitors environmental changes and supports carbon tracking. From smart cities to humanitarian aid, geospatial AI is solving real problems and saving lives. Now let's talk about you. If you're thinking of joining this revolution, there are diverse career paths in geospatial AI. GIS Analyst, working with maps and spatial databases. Remote Sensing Specialist, analyzing satellite imagery. Data Scientist, building AI models for location intelligence machine learning. Engineer, designing spatial AI pipelines. You'll need skills in Python, GIS tools like QGIS or ArcGIS, remote sensing, and machine learning. But don't worry, you can start small and build up. How do you get started? Begin with online courses in Python, GIS, and AI from platforms like Coursera, Esari Academy, and Udacity. Get certified. Join communities like Eureka, GOI groups, and participate in hackathons or mapathons. Remember, this field evolves fast. Continuous learning is key. What's next? Geospatial AI is moving toward real-time systems powered by IoT, big data, and cloud computing. Think drone-fed AI systems, real-time climate models, and smart cities that adapt on the fly. As power grows, so does responsibility. Ethical AI use, especially in surveillance and data privacy, will be crucial. Geospatial AI isn't just about tech, it's about building a better world. Whether you're a student, developer, or analyst, your skills can shape the future. So, what role will you play in the geospatial AI revolution?
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in AI and GIS. See you in the next video.